And actually it's back over here now, so I'm going to see if I can get a few more images. Just come for a sit down by the river this morning. It's a cold morning. There's a real cold, biting wind at the moment. Got some swans just sitting on the riverbank down there, and the kestrel that's just been hovering up above as well. I'm not looking for anything specific. Just going to see what turns up really. But absolutely beautiful place just to sit, watch the wildlife. There was a barn owl around here earlier, somebody told me, but really early doors, so I missed that. But yeah, absolutely stunning little place. Nice and quiet. There's a few dog walkers around, a few other people around, but reasonably quiet, so we're not getting too disturbed. So I'm just going to sit here by the river, see what turns up. You just don't know. I mean, that's the whole thing with this. You just don't know. You can sit here. You might not see anything, but it just takes that one little thing that's a little bit different to turn up, and that's what we're really looking for all the time. Yeah, so peace, quiet. I've got a coffee, I've got a little snack, just going to sit here, watch the world go by, and hopefully watch some wildlife go by as well. So I've just been standing with a couple of other photographers I know, just walking down this river bank as well. And as we're standing there, as a goosander just flew straight down the river, straight past us. So I think from talking to one of the locals that lives down on the river down here, sounds like it's quite irregular. So just going to sit and just see. Maybe the goosander will turn up. That'd be quite nice, because that's a beautiful looking bird, very sleek, very elegant. Males are more a whitish colour. I think the females are more a darkish reddish colour. I have had a couple of images of goosanders before, but mainly in Scotland, to be honest, and not around here. So yeah, so it's just flown past us, just gone down the river. So just going to see if that turns up, and see if we can get some nice images of that. just recording a few little bits of b-roll and stuff and whatever, and just not really doing anything. And I turned around to do a bit of a clip over the river, and there's a goosander sitting on the river right behind me. I've been looking for it earlier and didn't find it, but it's just sitting here on the river, absolutely right by me. So just gonna see if we can get some footage and a few images of that. So the Goosander was quite a hard bird to photograph. We've got some fairly bright light here at the moment. Very dark head on it, very white body, and really having to drop down the exposure. So I think I'll have to look at it when I get the images back, but I think maybe 1.5 stops down, just so we don't blow out the whites on the bird. And then we're probably just going to have to lift the shadows a little bit in post, just to try and bring out some of the detail in the head and the bill and everything else. But yeah, it came straight past us, so really nice to see. And actually it's back over here now, so I'm going to see if I can get a few more images. Well, that's been an interesting morning, really. And we certainly didn't come out looking for a goosander, and I've never seen one around here, so that makes quite a nice change to actually see something a bit different. There's loads of little small birds over the other side of the river fluttering around as well. Not sure what they are, I can't get close enough to see at the moment. But yeah, but something a little bit different, always worth it. And as I say, you just sit quietly. I didn't expect that. Just sit quietly by the river. You just don't know what's going to turn up. We have seen a stone chat a bit further down as well. I didn't get any images of that, but there's some stone chats around as well. So yeah, not a bad little spot, and not a spot I normally come to. So I think I'll probably be coming back here again at some stage. And you never know, we might find that elusive otter that we've been looking for as well. So if you like the video, please do click a thumbs up for me below. That'd be great. And you know, if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe. It'd be great to have you on board with us as we wander around. And whatever you're doing, have a great day. Hope you catch some great shots yourself, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Bye for now.